welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for clicking on this video. I've been away for a while, yes, but I'm back now. Okay guys, so today's video is an unboxing. I'm going to unbox this parcel with you. This was sent to me for a review. Okay, so we are going to do the unboxing together. Okay, before I even open it, I know what's inside. Okay, so it's a wig stand. Let's unbox this together. I'm doing that with my scissors. Okay, it's a wig tripod. I don't know if you are seeing. It's a mannequin head tripod. Okay, here is it. This was sent to me for a review. Okay guys, and please, the detail to this product will be in the description area, and I'll also pin it at the comment section. Okay, if you are into wig making, if you are a beginner, this will be perfect for you. Okay guys, so here is it. Very huge and long. You can see. Okay, and also here is the bag. It came in this bag. Let me see what is inside again. Okay, we have this, and that's all. So this will be fixed. Okay, this is it here. I will screw this one on top like this. Wow, this is very thick, and you can see how they use this rubber thing to hold the leg so that it will not be moving around. It will stand right. You can see this protective rubber that they put on the leg so that it will hold tight. So let's open this. So guys, I'm trying to I don't know. Okay. Wow, I can now figure it out. You can see this is how wide the leg looks, and this is how thick and tall it looks. You can see I'm putting it on the floor now. You can see how tall it is, so I can make it short to my level if I want to braid hair. This is very, very good and convenient to use. Very, very good. Guys, the detail of this product, of this tripod, will be in the description area. Feel free to check it out in case you are interested. It's very thick and heavy to hold the mannequin head, yes. And over here is the rotating screw. Okay, you can rotate this to 360. You can see how it's moving around, so you can rotate this to 360 degree anywhere you want your mannequin head to fall. I can't wait to use this product, honestly. Watch out for my next wig making, where I'll be using this tripod to make wig tutorial. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Remember to check out the detail of this tripod in the description area. Okay, and also it will be in the comment section. I'll pin it at the comment section. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Feel free to share it out, okay? Share it for other people to know that Nikki is back, okay? I'm back with great tutorials, okay? I'm back with amazing tutorials to share with you guys. So that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if this is your first time. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye-bye.